Well, hey, you too. It's been a while. It's been a minute since I brought you guys for a ride. And I've been riding, just not on my e-bike, you know. And it's been a little chilly lately, you know. So, you know, kind of hard to get out there when it's cold outside, you know. But today, you know, I made it my business. I know it's been a while since I did a video, you know. So I said, you know, let me get this done. And again, guys, you know, I work in negative 15 degrees, you know. So, you know, I was like, what better time to, you know, go out and make a video. It was like, you know, straight after work. So typically I get off around that's different. Oh, you walk your cat?
Nope, that's not mine.
Oh, not your cat. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, that's different. I thought it was the lady's cat, but I don't know. But anyway, though, maybe that cat is looking for a home. But anyway, back to our regular scheduled programming. It's been a while. It's about 62 degrees, and again, guys, I work at negative 15 degrees. So, you know, right now I have on a few layers, you know, and you know, it keeps me all right, you know. So I was like, you know, let me make it my business to come out here and go for a ride, you know. As you can see, it's a little bit different. All the trees is almost gone, you know. I wish I would have let you guys get some of that a little bit, but you know, you can see some yellows and greens on your left, you know. All right, so you can see, you know, it looks quite different in the wintertime through here. You usually can't see through any of these trees, you know, say like the field back over there or to my right, but you usually can't see in there, you know. Like I said, as it gets chillier during the year and the leaves fall, you know, you can see quite a few things, you know. Well, let's see what is that. Not even a skateboard, huh? Interesting, you know. All right. I feel like that's a struggle maybe on this wood. Skateboard, whatever. To each his own. But anyway, another thing that I wanted to come out for, guys, is I wanted to check the progress of the I don't know what they want to call it, the road gathering, widening, you know. Sorry, they're widening the road up further. How's it going? And I wanted to check it out, you know. But oh boy, like I said, it's about past my bedtime. Sorry. But like I said, guys, I made it my business, so I'm gonna come out here. I'm gonna bring you guys a video. You know, like and subscribe, please. You know, every little bit helps. You know, again, for you guys, you know, new to my channel, you know, I reside, you know, in North Carolina. You know, I do multiple things, you know, like a little bit of e-bike, you know, situations going on or whatever. You know, I travel on the train, you know. I travel by plane, I travel by cars, you know. I'll do a few things, you know. I guess, like I said, I try to get around to everything, but you know, I'm trying to format this YouTube channel a little bit better, you know. I said the more feedback I get, the better. You know, so I recently went to San Francisco, and one of my videos, I guess if you want to call it viral, for my channel it was viral. You know, I actually had 400 and change people like that video, or check it out at least. You know, so like I said, I'm just exploring things, you know, checking some stuff out, checking some things out. And this is the highlight of my video today. You know, as you can see, you know, Carolina red clay, you know. Like I said, the guys is hard at work. You know, I waited for this thing to finish up. I wonder how it's gonna look. You know, but they're making some considerable progress. So I mentioned in a couple of videos back that I'm gonna grab me a drone, you know, so like the view of something like this would be, you know, great for a drone to, you know, kind of capture the whole construction site. You know, like I said, this is a little road widening. I always get the roads confused, but Mooresville Carpenter, you know, they widen it because as you can see, there's quite a bit of traffic that comes through here, you know, and basically they needed to widen it, you know. This is get you through the railroad tracks back over in the distance. You know, we get I guess you can't really call it, I guess you have some intercity travel, I guess you could call it. So Amtrak is one's on the railroad, you know, down past, I don't know if you can see the light from here, but there's a light down there, and there's a railroad track also. And Amtrak Piedmont service runs through there between Raleigh and Charlotte. And we also have the Carolinian that runs between New York City and Charlotte. You know, I take that train quite a bit. I take the Piedmont a little bit also. But I might do a little video maybe this weekend. I might ride up to Charlotte. There's a little Spanish place that I go to, you know, and I think I'm in the mood for it. So I might take a ride. You guys stay tuned for that. You know, again, like and subscribe. If you have any recommendations, feel free to let me know. Again, I'm on a little health journey, and you know, I'm struggling with, you know, cutting sugar out or whatever. You know, I've cut soda out. You know, I mean, that was hard, you know, by itself, but you know, cutting sugar is becoming a challenge, you know. But besides that, well, it is a challenge. You know, I think I cut back down. You know, I cut down, you know, today, but like sugars is in almost everything. And then I have a job that requires a lot of movement, you know. So like some days, you know, if I don't have enough, I guess, energy, you know, like sometimes I lose energy, but I don't have any energy to get me through the work day, you know. And I just basically I'll be very fatigued, and I just want to, you know, just stop. But like I said, of course, you know, you're at work, you know, you got to keep going, you know. But besides that, you know, I work through it. I've been getting stronger. It's easier for me to get through my day, you know, as opposed to a couple of months back. I have to say that. But like I haven't made the progress I would like to make. I've made progress, but not as much as I would like to make. But again, guys, like I said, you know, I'm just gonna do a little video, whatever, not too much. Like I said, you know, when you're tired, you don't really process things too well, you know. So like I said, I'm just gonna keep it short. You guys stay tuned. New York Carolinian out. Thank you.